Thank you, Dhruv, and thank you, Rajiv ji. Thank you, Deepika.
Yeah.
Really
Thank
great
you,
listening
ma'am.
Thank
to
you.
your
Thanks.
Thank you,
and
ma'am.
Dhruv, really inspiring, whatever you said, and with such great clarity. I must commend your confidence and clarity in thinking. So we do have some questions. I'm going to go straight to Shantan, who has a question. Shantan, if you can unmute from your end and ask your question. Yes, Shantan, go ahead.
Good evening. Firstly, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes.
Yeah, we can hear.
Okay. Firstly, congratulations to Dhruv Kumar and congratulations to Deepika ma'am and his father also, because
Thank you.
it was their hard effort. Hello.
Yeah, Shantan, can you please repeat that?
Yes. So extremely sorry for that. My phone was coming, so that's extremely sorry.
No
Can you hear
problem.
me?
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
please.
या सो फर्स्टली मैं बधाई देना चाहते हूँ इन तीन लोगों को जो ध्रुव के साथ ये जो हार्ड टाइम था, टफ टाइम था, उसके साथ साथ दिया. आई एम अ स्कूल टीचर इन कलकत्ता राइट नाउ. माय क्वेश्चन टू दीपिका एंड ध्रुव, बोथ ऑफ यू. तो हमने यहाँ पर, मैंने गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में पढ़ा था, ठीक है. हम यहाँ पर कोई सारे डिसेबिलिटी स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर जो स्कूल होते हैं वेस्ट बंगाल बोर्ड का, वहां पर अभी तक भी हम लोगों का प्रॉब्लम होता है लैपटॉप लेके परीक्षा देने के लिए. परमिशन भी नहीं मिलती. एक आदमी दिया, मेरा कोशिश है, मैंने भी ट्राई किया था. मैंने आज से 7 साल पहले एचएस कंप्लीट किया. उसके बाद आई वाज स्टडीड इन इंटरनेशनल रिलेशन इन जेयू. Then I got a job in school right now. So I want to know, Dhruv Kumar, what is the next goal in your life?
मेरा नेक्स्ट गोल करंटली तो यही होगा कि आई वांट टू एक्सप्लोर कॉलेज फॉर कंप्यूटर साइंस. मुझे आई लाइक स्टडीइंग कंप्यूटर्स. मुझे इसमें पहले भी इंटरेस्ट था और अब भी मैं इसी फील्ड में जाना चाहूँगा. एज फॉर माई लाइफ लॉन्ग गोल, एज आई सेड, मुझे सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट में ही कुछ मेरी प्रेफरेंसेस हैं कि मैं ऐसा काम करना चाहूँगा. मैं बैकएंड सिस्टम्स पे काम करना चाहूँगा, लो लेवल सिस्टम्स पे. जो भी कोई कंपनीज होंगी जो जिसमें मैं ऐसा काम कर सकूं, जो मुझे इतना इंटरेस्टिंग कोई जॉब दे, कुछ ऐसा डेवलपमेंट एक्सपीरियंस प्रोवाइड करे जिसपे मैं सेटिस्फाइड हो सकूं, तो उसका मेरा ये गोल होगा कि वही कंपनी मैं बाद में ट्राई करूं कि फाइंड कर पाऊं.
आप डिसेबिलिटी के लोग के भी काम करना चाहते हैं?
Sure. जैसे सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट में ही काफी स्कोप है, क्योंकि काम तो अब भी बहुत चल रहा है, बट मैं लाइक देयर इज ऑलवेज, अगर मैं कोई हेल्प कर सकता हूँ, आई कैन मेक समथिंग, देन दैट वुड बी वेरी यूजफुल. सो अगर आफ्टर मुझे थोड़ा, आई हैव सम मोर एक्सपीरियंस, लाइक अलोंग, जैसे मैं जॉब कर रहा हूँ, आई एम डूइंग सम जॉब, मैं like in my extra time, in my extracurricular activities, in general I can work on this. I am interested because मुझे इतनी हेल्प जो एक्टिविज्म जो ये करी है ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, इनसे ऑलरेडी इतनी हेल्प मिली. और स्पेसिफिकली जैसे जो भी NVDA है या अदर सॉफ्टवेयर्स है थ्रू विच मैं आज आई कैन डू +2 वेरी वेल. सो इफ आई कैन ये मैं ऑफर आगे हेल्प forward offer कर सकूं, तो definitely I'd love to work on disability services as well.
My last question, another goes to Deepika ma'am.
Yeah.
May I speak to Hindi ma'am with you?
No, any language, whatever you are comfortable with.
Okay, fine. So madam, मेरा ये पूछना है कि ये जो आपने सक्षम ने डेवलप किया है, ये तो दिल्ली ये साइड में अच्छा हो रहा है, लेकिन मेरा एक कहना है, वेस्ट बंगाल में बहुत सारे ऐसे स्टूडेंट थे, दोज हु आर टेक्निकली वेरी साउंड राइट नाउ. सो हम आपके साथ टच में होना चाहते हैं, तो हाउ टू कांटेक्ट यू? let me know, please.
Sure, we can, together we can work. There's no problem.
Yeah.
And you let us know what are your needs and expectations, and we can definitely work according to that.
We will
so how to contact you?
We will connect you, Chantal. We will share some details with you. And
surely we can do that.
Yeah, we'll connect you.
Thank you, George sir.
Yeah,
I will be very happy to do that.
Thank you, George sir.
Welcome.
All right, Chandranath Saha, you have a question. You'll have to unmute from your end, please, before you ask.
Do you hear me?
Yes.
Do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Acha, first my question to my heartfelt congratulations to Dhruv, his parents and his teachers, particularly to Deepika ma'am, for such a wonderful achievement on his part. Then my question is that what is his intention to do betterment for the community as such? Not only for the visually impaired, but also for the whole community, for the nation. Do you have any vision?
Yes. So right now, Joby, like the world has a lot of things going on, and software development can be and is a large part of this development. क्योंकि जैसे हम बाहर सुनते हैं कि like Silicon Valley is very popular, and regularly every day we use software in our daily lives. So for my nation as such, what I see right now कि जैसे मैं jobs देखता हूँ और otherwise मैं देखता हूँ, there's a lot of outsourcing going on in India by other companies कि जैसे Google होगी या Facebook होगी, or even smaller companies, they like to outsource to us because we don't have a like super developed economy और उनको यहाँ पे cheaper पड़ता है. And I'm not satisfied with this क्योंकि like why outsource? हमारे पास इतनी वो क्यों नहीं है, इतनी capability क्यों नहीं है कि हम उस scale पे उनके साथ काम करें कि we do development, we do everything with as partners rather than being outsourced to. So when I get like when I complete my studies, मेरा goal यही होगा कि मैं यहाँ पे in India, I try to figure out some way to get on their level कि कोई हमें इसी पे ना रहना पड़े कि we're just outsourcers. I want to actually make us capable enough to be known as a well-regarded country in the field of software design, software development as well.
That's your aim. But what is your view about social integration? How would you see that?
I am in general, I'm not really a hugely social person. There are some problems that currently I just honestly do not have enough, maturity to think about, to know, like to have opinions about. But जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है, when I interact more with society, when I talk to more people, जैसे अभी in my school, I am lucky enough to have faced like a decent life. मुझे इतनी discrimination हो, otherwise I didn't have to face. So when I grow, when I actually get into colleges and understand कि क्या problems हमारे सामने है, what problems exist, and I face those problems, then I will have to figure out how I can help. What is my responsibility for social integration or for like improving discrimination.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you.
Wishing all the best.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ankita, you have a question, I believe. Yeah, can you unmute from your end? Yeah.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Many congrats, Dhruv, for your result. I want to know one thing. In your journey, I feel your family, your parents, especially, have played a very important role.
Your voice is not clear, Ankita.
Yeah.
Now it is?
Yes, better.
So, Dhruv, your parents, what role have your parents played in your journey, and how you would like other parents to be inspired by your parents? What Can you throw some light on that?
Sure. So, when I used to be in Rashtriya Vidyalaya, there were a lot of students who basically used to live there. कईयों की तो जैसे मजबूरी होती थी because their homes were far away and like their parents couldn't really just drop them and pick them up. But some students I thought कि like basically their parents didn't care. उन्होंने जो भी responsibility थी they just left that to the school. In my case, I have been lucky enough to get wonderful parents who have always been with me. Like from when I was a child, they जो भी मुझे I used to be like very active. My parents tell me I used to play around, just like have a lot of energy and stuff like that. So um, in that like sense, my parents always used to do all the things that normal children get. They used to come go with me, play with me, have a lot of fun. When I grew up, when it was more my life became more about like complications and stuff about my academics and education. In that case, they helped me out a lot too, because I remember my father, when I didn't have proper books, my father used to read out to me and make me like, he used to educate me and like keep teaching. Like I remember I used to be like, no, I don't want to study anymore, but he was like, it's important, you need to be, you need to be a lot better. You need to be better than the students around you, because otherwise it won't work. So in that sense, my parents have always motivated me and been with me. Um, for other parents, like I think it's the only reason that my parents, stuck with me was they didn't think I was deficient. They thought I could do whatever was required or whatever like I had in mind. So that's why they always like kept up kept up with me. They always helped me. So I just say for the other parents as well that your children can do whatever they want to do in their life, and you just need to be there for them. You just need to offer them support to reach that, to do that.
Very right.
Thank you.
Okay, Anjana, you have a question?
Yeah, she's
Yeah, you have. Yeah. Please go ahead.
Hi, good evening, everybody. Good evening, George. Good, congratulations, Dhruv. I'm so happy. I can't tell you my happiness because I am also a parent, Arush, but he is in class 10. So I'm hearing you, and he was also hearing you, but now his class has started. So he went back to join the class. So very, very proud of you. I can see anyways, I don't have any question, but I need to, I'm so happy and I'm so warmth. I can't tell you how much I express, and I can see the warmth and I can see the excitement of your father and the journey they must have taken to take you towards this goal. So please keep on. We are really, really very proud of you. We as a parents, I feel that we are blessed parents to have a children like you who really, never give up. That's what I really congratulate you, and you have really proved again that world challenges is nothing but it's a way to how to success. I don't believe there are any challenges. So stay blessed. God bless you, and I'm so happy to hear you. I was really, really. I got emotional because it took me back to my journey with Arush. So, but God bless you and God bless you, and thank you, George. Who always encourages everybody, motivates to move ahead, move ahead. I don't believe there is any word, any disability in right now. You guys have proved that you can touch the sky is the limit. So thank you so much, and it was a wonderful session. Thank you. God bless everybody.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your kind words. I'm really happy. Thank you.
Arush Bhatt, who is Anjana's son, is again an extremely bright youngster, and I'm hoping that 2 years down the line we'll be interviewing him.
Wow, that's great.
And he recently went to NASA as a part of a delegation to attend a kind of a camp over there, and he was one of two Indian young people to go.
Wow, that's great. Wonderful.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Great.
That's really
Yeah. Harika, you have a question. You'll have to unmute from your end and ask. Yeah, Harika, you had a question. You'll have to unmute. आपका ऑडियो अभी muted है. Okay, I don't see any more raised hands unless Harika puts her audio on. So why programming, Dhruv, if I may ask? When did you learn, when did you get interested in programming?
Well, essentially, I started with VB6 of all things, Visual Basic 6. There used to be there's a place called the Audio Games Forum, and there's a developer on there called Apron. He had a getting started thing which taught you Visual Basic 6 with a tutorial and like everything for making things like different kind of stuff like calculators and small games and stuff like that. When I was 12 or 13, like I remember in general, I was interested in this sort of technology stuff even before, like web hosting or hosting your own thing and stuff like that. But in programming, I got started with this, like this tutorial thing when I was 12 or 13. And then I discovered Python and Rust and Haskell and JavaScript and everything else, the huge wide world that programming has to offer. And I found out that this is my calling. This is what I'm supposed to do.
Well, I must say you figured it out at quite an early age. Good for you. All right, George, I don't see any more questions.
Yeah, I would like to just kind of take one learning from your experience, Dhruv. Right from very early years, you started writing your own exams using a computer. And I think that gave you the independence and confidence of being in control of the situation, because when you have a scribe writing for you, you're dependent to a large extent to the quality of the scribe.
Right, exactly.
very true. Very true.
That is one. Number two is, by the time you have reached class 12 like you have, you actually are on top of technology. If you use scribe and come all the way, even if you do well, you still are very half-baked because you're not independent.
True.
So I think you've been guided well, and you've taken a path where, while you've crossed each barrier, you have also empowered yourself. And I think this has been fantastic for you. Lovely talking to you and lovely having you on this program.
Thank you so much.
So, and we'd like to be in touch, and we like to follow your progress as you move on in life.
Right. Thank you. I hope I've done well.
You will. You've got your head on your shoulders. We can see that. So.
Right. So thank you so much for having me. I'm really appreciative.
Yeah, we call ourselves Highway Encounters.
Right.
So this was an encounter with Dhruv Kumar and his team.
सर
हाँ जी, बोलिए राजीव जी.
सर हमारा जो ये जब ब्लाइंड स्कूल में था, तो हमारा एक ड्रीम था कि किसी तरह सागर सर जो दीपिका मैडम के हस्बैंड है, उनके यहाँ पे ध्रुव को ट्रेनिंग के लिए जगह मिल जाए, क्योंकि उनके पास म्यूजिक की ट्रेनिंग के लिए बहुत मुश्किल होता है, हर किसी को वो परमिशन नहीं देते. तो मेरे फ्रेंड थे, वो कहते आप अगर ध्रुव को म्यूजिक के लिए सागर सर के पास भेज देंगे तो वो नदी नाले में नहीं, वो सीधा समंदर में लेकर जाते हैं.
राइट.
तो हमारा ड्रीम था कि इसको सागर सर के पास भेजें. लेकिन जो दीपिका मैडम ने हमारा ड्रीम पूरा कर रहे हैं, वो ड्रीम तो हमने कभी देखा ही नहीं था. वो हमारा इतना ड्रीम, मतलब वो हमारा ड्रीम पूरा कर रहे हैं, हमारे सपने में भी नहीं था. हर तरफ से हेल्प करके
आप सागर की तलाश में गए और दुनिया मिल गया आपको। हाँ,
यस सर, यस सर, यस सर।
राजीव जी,
यस मैडम।
ये दीपिका ने नहीं किया, ये ध्रुव ने ही किया कमाल।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी,
उसी की पर्सनैलिटी मेरे को ऐसा लगा, उसी ने अपना दिखाया मेरे को सारा सब कुछ।
यस मैम, ये आपके मार्गदर्शन में हुआ है मैडम सब कुछ। आपने रास्ता दिखाया, आपने हर तरफ से हेल्प की है, बुक्स भी, वैसे भी आप मोटिवेट करते रहे, हर तरफ से आपने हेल्प की है उसकी, और उसका नतीजा जो है वो आपके सामने है। मैं कैमरे के सामने इसी की वजह से बैठा हूँ।
अब हम तो यही बोलते हैं कि एक ध्रुव तो आ गया, अब और बहुत सारे ध्रुव आने चाहिए।
जरूर आएंगे जी, जरूर आएंगे।
That's what we want to work upon.
हालांकि पोल स्टार एक ही है, बट
there can be many also.
सर वो तो सर वो तो मेरा ओपिनियन था सर, और भी बहुत है, लेकिन वो हमें दिखाई नहीं देते, वो और साइडों पे है, वो उनको ढूंढना पड़ेगा और दुनिया को दिखाना पड़ेगा। वो दीपिका मैडम और आपकी टीम जो है वो निकालेगी।
One of us end user, he cleared IAS last year from Amritsar. Right. Now he has gone for training.
Right. Who's this?
So people are doing so well. I think I can just conclude by saying one thing. If you have a laptop and a mobile in hand, I don't think you need anything else for studies.
No, I think you need a laptop and a mobile phone and the correct attitude.
And a very correct attitude. Exactly.
Yeah.
I'll also want to add up congratulations, Deepika. It was really, I really admire the people who really are the mentors. Our students need really great mentors in life. But I would, as a parent, as a mother, you know, I always tell my son, now you have reached your level, work for the bigger goal, work for the bigger. So I would really love you to see you to work for the bigger goal. What all you faced, let not the newcomers, new students face.
Exactly.
That's what I always teach my son Arush, to help this mankind. Let's make this world a beautiful place. There should be inclusion everywhere. So I would love to request you to take this thought from this, work for the bigger goal. What all you face, then people should not face. So all the best and have a great victories ahead.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, madam.
Great, as they say, all good things have to come to a close.
Yeah.
So this program ends over here, and I'd like to thank everybody for having participated. And and take care. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
Thank you everyone for your time. Thank you. We'll be putting up a YouTube recording of this also.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.